Model number 3, question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. In the smallest like denominator for 2 fractions 2 over 5 and 3 over 7, it will be 35. Because the least common multiplication between 5 and 7, it will be 35. 7 and 5, we called it relatively prime numbers. 7 and 5, the height common factor between them equal 1. Then the least common multiplication between them, it will be their product. 7 times 5, it will be 35. Choose letter D. Question number 2. 4 divided by half equal what? We can write 4 and convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal of half, it will be 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. Then the result will be 8. Question number 3. If 6 product by 3 and 1 over 2 equals 3 product by b, then the value of b here, we must convert this number from mixed number to improver. Write 2 here in the numerator and 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then the value of b equals 7 over 2. Okay. It's 3. Again, if 6 times 3 and half equals 3 times b, then the value of b equals 7 over 2. 7 over 2, it will be 3.5. We can write here 7 over 2. Letter D, you must cancel this result and write 7 over 2. Okay. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, we have the measure of angle A was 50 and the measure of angle B 60. We have ABC, measure of angle A was 50 degree, measure of angle B was 60 degree. Then the measure of angle C, we can add the two angles and the result subtract from 180 because the sum of interior angle in each triangle equal 180. You can find the measure of this angle by write 180 subtract by sum of two angles 50 plus 60. The result will be 180 subtract by 50 plus 60, it will be 110. The difference between them equals 70 degree. Then we called it an acute triangle because all angles here, the measure of it less than 90 degree. We called it an acute angle triangle. It shows letter A. We called it an acute angle triangle. An acute angle triangle. Okay. Question number 5. The area of rectangle dimension third and fourth, it will be length times width. Third times fourth, it will be 1 over 12 square centimeter. Okay. Question number 6. The order represents the original point 0 and 0, original point 0 and 0. Okay. Question number 7. The friction which represents shadowed part, we can count how many parts colored here. 3 parts from 7 parts. Okay, we have 3 parts, 1 2 3 from 7 parts. 1 2 3 colored from 7 parts, the all 4 over 7. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Letter A. Rayhan spends 1 hours studying science and 20 minutes more studying a subject, and mathematics the subject of more studying subject mathematics for the subject of science. How long does Rayhana take study two subjects together? Okay, Rayhana spends 1 and 1 over 10 to study science, okay, and 20 minutes more to study mathematics. You can write 1 over 10, 1 and 1 over 10 to write the number of hour. We have 1 hour and 1 over 10 hour study science, okay, this subject science. And mathematics studied 1 and 1 over 10 hour plus 20 minutes. 20 minutes, it's meaning third hour. Okay, 20 minutes, it's equivalent to what? Third hour. Understood? Third hour equal 20 minutes. He tell us she studied 20 minutes more studying subject mathematics for the subject of science. Then the number of hour she studied mathematics, it will be 1 hour and 1/10 hour plus third hour. You can eat them by right the least common multiplication between two fractions. Here it will be 30. Okay, write 30 here, because 10 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. 10 times 3 equal 30, 3 times 1 equal 3, and 3 times 10 equals 30, 1 times 10 equal 10. Then sum of them we can write 1, and 3 plus 10 equals 30 over 30. 13 over 30. Then he won't find what? He won't find the total times. How long does Rayhana take to study two subjects she studied? The times will be what? We can write 1 and 1 over 10 hour studied science, and studied mathematics 1 and 13 over 30. We can eat them by right the least common multiplication between two numbers, 30. Write 30 here and 30. Okay, we have 3 times 10 equals 30, 3 times 1 equals 3, and then you can eat them. Write 30 in the numerator. 13 plus 3 equals 16, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then you can simplest this fraction by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. Okay, write 2 here, and 13 divided by 2 will be 15, and 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Then she studied 2 and 8 over 15 hours to study two subjects together. Okay, it's a total time. Question 8. The turtle can crawl about 30 kilometers per hour. How many hours do you need to travel a distance of 5 kilometers? How many hours do you need to travel at 5 kilometers? Okay, the turtle can crawl about 30 kilometers per hour. Then we can find 30 kilometers an hour. You want 5. How many hours? You want find the time. Okay, you can compare it between the number of kilometers and the number of hours. The turtle can crawl about 30 kilometers at 1 hour. Do you need to travel how many hours? Here, do you need to travel at 5 kilometers? Okay, we can find the number of how many hours. Number of hours equal what? 1 times 5 divided by 30. The product of extremes equal product of means. 1 times 5 equal 5. Then you can write 5 divided by 30. Then 5 product by right, convert from division to multiplication, and then write reciprocal of 30, it will be 3. Then the numbers of hours, it will be 15 hours. So you need to travel a distance of 5 kilometers at 15 hours. The turtle need 15 hours to travel 5 kilometers because it traveled 30 kilometers in 1 hour. Then it need 15 hours to go 5 kilometers. Next example, question number 3, choose the correct answer. The fraction 9 over 11 is nearest to by benchmarks equal what? We know 9 over 11 nearest to 10 over 11, nearest to 11 over 11, it will be 1. Then 9 over 11 nearest to 1 by benchmarks. But 9 over 11, we have a long distance between 5.5 and 11, because the half of 4.9 over 11, because the half of 9, it will be 4.5. Then the result will be 1. It's nearest to 1 because 9 over 11 nearest to 11 over 11, and we have a greater distance between 9 and 4.5. Okay, then the result will be 1. Write 1. Question number 2. If 3 and 4 over a, 3 and 4 over a is slightly more than 3 and a half, lightly more than. Then the estimation of A equal what? We can write the least common multiplication between two numbers, or he will write this number. If you write any number here, such as that 7, 3, he write here lightly more than. More than half equal what? You must write what? What is the number nearest to or greater than half? 4 over what? 4 over 3? No, don't write 3. And if you write here 7, then this number will be greater than 3.5, because half of 7, it will be 3.5. And 4 greater than the half of 7. Okay, then this word lightly more than smaller, it's nearest to estimation. What's the estimation here? If we put 7 here, then 4 over 7 will be greater than 3.5, because 4 nearest to half of 7. Half of 7 will be 3.5. Okay, and 4 greater than, then it's lightly it's more than by smaller number. Question number 3. 1 over 6 divided by 3, we can write 1 over 6, convert from division to multiplication, the reciprocal of 3, it will be 1 over 3. 1 times 1 equal 1, and 3 times 6 equal 18, then the result will be 1 over 18. Question number 4. 150 minutes equal space hour and space minute. We have 150 minutes equal what? We know 60 plus 60 equal 120. 120 plus 30 equal 150. And 120, it will be 2 hours. Then you can write here 2 hours. And the remainder 30 minutes. Write 30 here. Okay, then we can write 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Right here, 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Again, we have 150 equal 120 plus 30. You must cancel this number 50 and write 30. Okay. The result here was wrong. Okay. The result true, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Understood? Question number 6. You want to find the distance between point T and B. Okay, T here and B. He idle time half. Then T, it will be 1.5. And point B, it will be what? We have 3.5, 4, 4.5. The distance between them, B subtract by T. It will be 4.5 subtracted by 1.5 equals 3 units. The distance between them, it will be 3 units. Next question. Question 7. The quadrant which has no axis of symmetry, parallelogram. Parallelogram hasn't any line symmetry. Shows letter D. But rhombus has 2 line symmetry. Square has 4 line symmetry. Rectangle has 2 line symmetry. Next example. Find the unknown dimension here if the volume was 36. We know the volume equal length product by width product by height. He gave us the volume was 36 cubic meter. Then we can write here length times width times height. Length here, I don't know the length, but width was 2 and the height was 3. Then the length equals 36 divided by 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times what equals 36? 6 times 6. Then the length was 6 meter. 6 meter. Next example, question number 5. Question number 5, number 1. The estimation of 4 over 10 plus 9 over 20 is called space estimation. We can write here equal what? We can write 4 over 10 and 9 over 20. We know the least common multiplication between them equal 20. 2 times 10 equal 20, 2 times 4 equal 8. Then sum of them, it will be what? 9 plus 8 equals 17. 17 over 20 nearest to 1, because 17 over 20 nearest to 20 over 20. Okay, you can solve this example by using the estimation. How? 4 over 10 and 9 over 20 by using benchmarks. 4 over 10 nearest to 5 over 10, and 5 over 10 it will be half, and 9 over 20 nearest to 10 over 20, and 10 over 20 it will be half. Half plus half it will be 1. Then we called it 1. The result will be 1 by using benchmarks. Question number 2, the equation. Here we want to find the value of d. To find the value of d, you want to find here the difference between the result 5 and 14 over 18, subtract by 4 and 1 over 9. We can write the least common multiplication between two numbers here was 18. 2 times 9 equal 18, 2 times 1 equal 2. Then 15 minus 4 equal 11, and write 18 in numerator. 14 minus 2 equal 12, and then you can simplify it 12 over 18 by divided by 2 numerator and numerator, or divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 equal 2, and 8 divided by 6 equal 3. Then the result will be 4 and 2 over 3. Question number 3, 4 over 7 product by what equal 3 over 7. We have 7 in the numerator, so to find the number here you must write 3, put x here, x reversed to the unknown number here. Okay, to find the value of x you can write the result 3 over 7 divided by 4 over 7, and then convert from division to multiplication. Write 3 over 7 here, and convert here, it will be 7 over 4. 7 by 7, then divide 7 1, and 1 times 3 equal 3, and 1 times 4 equal 4. Then the value of x here, it will be 3 over 4. Okay, the result here, it will be 3 over, it will be what? Right here 7, to cancel 7 by 7, write 7 here. No, don't write 7. We have 3 over 4. Okay, 3 over 4. The result will be 3 over 4, because 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. 1 times 7 equals 7. Then the result will be 3 over 4. Question number 4, 2 and half product by 5 equal 2 times 5 using distributive properties. 2 product by 5 and half product by 5. Why? Because 2 and half, it's meaning 2 plus half product by 5. We used here distributive properties. Then we must write here in this space, write half in this space. Okay, the result will be half. Write half in this space. Question number 5, the x coordinate of 2 and 5, this order, x here will be 2. The value of x will be 2. Question number 6, cuboid whose dimensions is 24 cubic centimeter, and it's decomposed in 2 slides, and the number of cubes in each slide is cubes. This is the number of slides, it will be what? Okay, we have the volume was 24 cubic centimeter. They give us the the volume. Okay, it's decomposed into slides, and the number of cubes in each slides is, we have 6 cube, right? 6 here in this space. Okay, we have here 6 cube in each slide. Then the number of slide, we can write the volume 24 divided the number of cubes in each slide. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then the number of slides will be 4 slides. Do you know slides? Slides here, see slides. See slides, okay, such as that. If we have this cuboid, we have this slide. This slide, it's vertical, okay, slides, vertical. But by right hand side here or horizontal, we call it layer. We have the difference between layer and slice. Slice here, vertical, okay, the vertical. How many slices? 4 slices. Question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, question number 7. The parallelogram with 4 right angle, we call it rectangle. The rectangle. Okay, question number 8. The circular degrees that matches the fraction of circle here is what? Circular degree. How many? Can you see how many parts colored here? We have 2 parts colored from the total part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have one part from 4 parts, then the result will be 90 degree. The result here, write 90 degree. Okay, question number 6. Locate the point here in the order and find the parameter of the result about the shape. Okay, we have x-axis and y-axis, the coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First point 3 and 2, it's point A. Point B, 8 and 2, 7 and 8 here, 8 and 2, it's point B. Point C was 8 and 6, 8 and 6. Point C. Point D, 3 and 6. We have here rectangle. We can find the parameter. Length was 8 minus 3 equal 5. We have here 5 units, and here 6 minus 2, it will be 4 units. Then the area, it will be length times width. 4 times 5 equal 20 square units. The area will be 20 square units. Okay.